Welcome to the Thumbnail Guy YouTube channel, where I'll show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. Let's go. Click the purple Create a Design button, then click YouTube Thumbnail. We're going to add 3 pages. Next, we're going to go over to Projects. Then we're going to go to Folders, then the 2K folder. Now I'm going to add this image to the page. Then I'm going to resize it till it fits the whole page. Then I'm going to go to Magic Grab, press grab. Now I'm able to move the image around without affecting the background. Next, I'm going to go back to the projects folder, select the 2K25 logo. Then I'll resize it to about right there. Then press Command open bracket to move it behind the subject. Then I'll go to Elements and search Red Glow. Click the first one and resize it, and press Command open bracket 2 times to move it behind the subject and the logo. Alright, that's our first 2K25 logo. Now let's start on the second. I'm gonna go back to the, before I do that, I'm gonna press Option 1 to see all of the layers. Then I'm gonna copy this layer and I'm gonna paste it onto this page right here. Now I'm gonna go to Edit Image and I'm going to select Magic Eraser. And I'm going to erase this right here. I need to erase this. I'm going to erase this. Now I'm going to go back to the projects folder, select the 2K25 logo. Alright, that's perfect right there. Now I'm going to select this picture of Angel Reese. Now I want to remove the background, position it right there. Then I'll resize it to about right there for now. Next, I'll go back to the projects folder and select the image of Caitlin Clark. Remove the background from this image as well. Then position it about right here. Then I'll resize this a bit. That's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to go to Elements and search Blue Glow. And I'm going to select this one right here. Then I'm going to resize it to about here. I'm going to press Command open bracket 2 times to put it behind the subject and behind the 2K logo. Next, I'm going to go back to Elements. Then search Gold Glow. Then I'll select this one right here. I'll resize it till about right there. Now I will press Command open bracket to put the glow behind the subject and the 2K25 logo. I'll resize it a bit more till about right there. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now we'll start on our next design, which will be Jason Tatum. So I'll add this image to the page, then resize it till it fits the whole page. And next I'll go to Edit Image, then Magic Grab. Then I'll click on this image right here to isolate it. Then I'll delete it. Then I'll go back to the Magic Grab tool and click this image to isolate it. I'll go to our project folder to add the 2K25 logo to the design. Then I'll press Command open bracket to move the logo behind the subject. Next I'll move him over just a bit. Then I'll go to Elements and search for Green Glow. Then I'll select this one right here. Then I'll resize it to about here. Then I'll press Command open bracket twice to move the glow behind the subject and the 2K25 logo. Okay, these are our final results. Let me know which one you like best. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guy down in the comment section.